Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Welcome back, or welcome for the very first time to Libido Loca Reactions. I'm Corinne Libido.
And I'm Nick Libido.
We're siblings who get together every once in a while when we can, and we like to show each other music and react to it. And then today, RAYE-Vens, we're back. I know. No one's into RAYE-Vens except me.
I still like Predators.
What?
Predators. You could
What
do
is
it.
that?
You can insert Ray in there. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
I reject that one. RAYE-Vens is way cooler, and I need everyone to get on board. So anyway.
Sunshine. Rainbows. Yeah.
Yeah. Nah. Anyway, okay. So that's enough. That's enough. You're derailing my cool RAYE-Vens thing.
So much you could do with that. In a positive sense.
Yes. Anyway, okay. So we are back due to high request on our last video. So our last Ray video, you guys showed up. You lovely human beings. We did the live at Abbey Road, Nightingale Lane. Mm-hmm. Wow. It was just like, it had been too long since we had done Ray. And so it was so awesome to come back to her, and then to have the Ray fan base flood us with so much love.
Yeah.
So we were like, no, we have to do the Brit Awards. We have to. So many people are asking, for this, and like, you guys are lovely, and why not? We want more Ray in our lives anyway.
Oh, gosh, yeah.
Like, we're never disappointed by her. She always does something that is unexpected and interesting. So cool. All right. So before we get into this, really quick housekeeping, like, comment, share, subscribe, hype if you can find it. It really does make a huge difference. And then if you want to go the extra step, we do have a buy me a coffee if you want to kick us a few dollars as an extra thank you. That's like a tip jar. It just helps us expand. We can't take requests, unfortunately. We just don't have that kind of time. But if you wanted to, like, just show that little extra love, because we don't make any money on this. We never get cleared for monetization just because copyright. It's just, they were really cracking down on it, and sometimes we can't even post.
Yeah.
So, but that's, if you want to, that's awesome. We really appreciate it. Otherwise, all that other stuff is for free, and it does make a huge difference, and we love you so much. So, okay, I think that's enough. Let's get into this. I'm excited.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Your husband is coming.
Baby, where is my husband? What's taking so long to find me? Where the hell is my lover? Get it down with the love. Tell him if you see me, baby, he should. Why is this beautiful man waiting for me to get old? Already testing my patience. Only fear taking time with women that ain't me. Well, I've been reviewing applications till I get my hands on him. I'ma tell him all for how I kept me waiting. Pray into the Lord. Pray into the Lord. He must see me completely. Yeah. Say my heart is for you. Such a shame.
Okay, we need to just pause.
Yeah.
Ray. One, I love that she just like right into it.
Yeah.
Like right into the hook, right into the chorus. And then like, yeah, the arrangement is really interesting.
Yeah. it's taking that. Where hell is my husband in 6'8"? Like.
There we go. I needed the music expert to like say the thing.
Oh gosh, yeah, yeah. Just a totally different feel, which is cool.
Yeah,
which
that's
plays into Nightingale Lane.
Yeah,
because I believe that's Nightingale Lane's 6'8". I think.
I believe so.
At
least you said that.
We'll find out and watch. I'll tell you my words. Yeah, so it's really cool.
Yeah. No, I mean, gosh.
Yeah.
Right.
What are you gonna say? Again,
what are you gonna say? It's just genius.
And she's one where you're like, no, look at the live, watch the live. And it's like, yes, this is why, because, these arrangements are, a lot of fun to listen to. They're always surprising.
Yes.
You never know which way they're going to go, So, so it's a lot of fun. And she should have probably performed at the Grammys, but I don't think she did.
Yeah, what was that?
Who knows?
God.
Who knows? That's why I don't watch the Grammys.
Right.
There could be great performances, but why is she on the Grammys doing this?
Yeah.
She probably lit up the night, so.
Right. Also, her dress. Oh my God, her dress.
Yeah.
Her fashion's always mwah.
Yeah.
Love it. Anyway, okay. Any more music-y things?
No, because I'm eagerly anticipating Nightingale Lane. So.
Yeah. Okay, let's
do it.
Do that, and then.
I'm gonna sing about a man who didn't buy me a ring. It's such a shame. The song is called Nightingale Lane. On a street in the South London suburbs is where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer stained, and tear stained was a pain that made me colder now. After the oceans I cried, I'm made of steel, just floating now. But when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I'll drive slow, I've let him go now. I just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes, I tell myself to go on, just say somebody let me once, and someday somebody will again, like the way you love me on Nightingale Lane, Nightingale Lane, Nightingale Lane. And though we never made it, stranger, you show me it's true, capable of loving someone the way I loved you. It was right there, early June, next to Old Park Avenue, standing in the rain, I watched him walk away. I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. You see, right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and someday someone will know. Someone will love me. I said I know it. Someone will love me. Someone will, like the way you once loved me on Nightingale Lane. Thank you, Brit. My album's out next month. Lots of love.
Woo. Wow. Every time.
Yeah.
Always the goosebumps. Always.
Woo. Again, like when we did our Nightingale Lane video, check it out. Just maximum emotional impact.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And this is obviously maximalist, with the music behind it. She had everything behind her, which is always cool because, especially these award shows, she's not going halfway.
Right.
She's going big. And for a good reason. Because, again, those arrangements are just outstanding. Vocally, she's second to none, Like
that sustained low that she did at the very end. And I
Lord.
I don't know a lot about vocal stuff other than what I watched from other reaction channels for people way smarter than me that know a lot about it. And I know that is a very hard thing to do.
Yes.
The low sustained,
oh yeah,
man,
especially when it's not your normal range,
right?
So.
At all times, Raye shows how she is a master at her craft.
Oh gosh, yeah,
always.
Oh yeah, and I'm actually curious. I almost want now to see with Nightingale Lane to go the other direction and hear just a very stripped down version, something like that. That one. It could be just her and guitar.
I was gonna say her and a guitar,
or something like that. I would
That'd
love to actually hear that, because a lot of the Raye that we watch is very maximalist, which again I love. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I'm just very interested to hear kind of a more acoustic version now, where it's just basically her. Let her voice really shine.
Right.
Over top. So, but I think Nightingale Lane would be a perfect one to really showcase that. So,
I would love to hear a slowed down, stripped down version of "Where the Hell Is My Husband." That would be interesting.
Yeah, that would be interesting too.
And I would not put it past her to do that eventually.
I can see her do an unplugged.
Exactly.
Which would be really cool.
Oh,
very, very
love
cool.
that.
So.
Cool.
Yeah. What'd you think? I know you'll love it.
No, how
What's
could you
there not to love?
not?
Yeah.
Exactly. I was thinking about how I love Olivia Dean, I love Leve, and how those three women are kind of lumped together sometimes in conversations. But I think with Raye, for me personally, she's a little bit more standout because of the range that she provides is much more complex, and it just really speaks to me. I really love what she does. All of them are amazing.
Yeah, to me, listening, Olivia Dean and Levy for the most part, the music's more relaxed. It's more laid back. Where Raye's is definitely more dynamic, really very energetic. She's. And not to say that the others don't throw their heart and soul. They do.
They do. Yeah.
I think that Raye has the voice and the control to really emote.
Punch it up.
Yeah. Really put smack you in the face with it.
It's she asks more of her audience too, as far as what she's presenting and what she. That just really speaks to me.
And again, she's really good at the surprise, or just keeping you guessing in the best possible way.
Absolutely.
In terms of the musical arrangement behind her vocals.
Yeah.
Again with Nightingale Lane, that slow down right before the chorus. That's just this pent up energy that she's just releasing.
Yes.
Into the chorus there, and it's so cool how she does that. And again, you don't hear that too often.
She's the airbenders, but vocally, she's a vocal airbender.
For all you Avatar fans out there, and I hope many of you are.
I hope you are, because
sorry, millennial reference.
No apologies. Everyone should watch that show.
Yeah, you should. You should.
The original.
The original.
None of the adaptations.
No thanks.
Yeah.
No thanks.
Anyway.
All right. Any other thoughts?
No, just, the usual. We adore her. We adore her. I'm so glad we found her. Thank you, everyone, for always showing up and being just so loving. It gave me such a boost on our last one to see so many people watching and so lovely comments.
You guys keep coming back with our other Raye videos.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. We have a playlist, and I mean, especially our first one. Hey,
that's
thank
still
you.
going. Yeah, that's wrong.
Yeah. We appreciate it.
Yeah, we do. Especially since that was early on. We watched some of our earlier videos and we're like, oof.
Hey, you have to start somewhere. So, They're funny.
Yeah,
Watch
they're
them.
they're hilarious.
They're hilarious. So they're
Anyway,
professional.
we really appreciate you all, and we're happy to be back with Ray.
Yeah.
And check out all of our playlists if you.
And once again, just please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the hype button, and if you can, tip us. Buy me a coffee. The link is in the description below and in our bio above. So yeah,
He's just pointing.
hey, gotta do it. We're actors here. So. Hopefully it works out right in the editing process. So, all right, Ravens, till next time.
Mwah. Bye.